information. Red flag warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. this evening for wind and low relative humidity for eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa. Red flag warning is in effect from noon to 7 p.m. Thursday for wind and low relative humidity for eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa. A red flag warning remains in effect through 7 p.m. this evening. Additionally, the National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a red flag warning for wind and low relative humidity, which is in effect from noon to 7 p.m. Thursday. Affected area in Iowa, Harrison, Shelby, Pottawatomie, Mills, and Fremont. In Nebraska, Washington, Butler, Saunders, Douglas, Sarpy, Seward, Lancaster, Cass, Odo, Saline, Jefferson, Gage, Johnson, Nemaha, Pawnee, and Richardson. Winds, northwest 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Relative humidity, as low as 25% this afternoon, and as low as 18% Thursday afternoon. The following impacts are expected. Any fires that ignite may spread rapidly and exhibit extreme fire behavior. Use extreme caution if engaging in any activities that could start a fire. Outdoor burning is not advisable. A red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are either occurring now or will shortly. A combination of strong winds, low relative humidity, and warm temperatures can contribute to extreme fire behavior. Red flag warning information. Red flag warning remains in effect until 7 p.m. this evening for wind and low relative humidity for eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa. Red flag warning in effect from noon to 7 p.m. Thursday for wind and low relative humidity for eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa. A red flag warning remains in effect through 7 p.m. this evening. Additionally, the National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a red flag warning for wind and low relative humidity, which is in effect from noon to 7 p.m. Thursday. Affected area in Iowa, Monona. In Nebraska, Knox, Cedar, Thurston, Antelope, Pierce, Wayne, Boone, Madison, Stanton, Cumming, Burke, Platte, Colfax, and Dodge. Winds, northwest 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 45 miles per hour. Relative humidity, as low as 23% this afternoon, and as low as 18% Thursday afternoon. The following impacts are expected. Any fires that ignite may spread rapidly and exhibit extreme fire behavior. Use extreme caution if engaging in any activities that could start a fire. Outdoor burning is not advisable. A red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are either occurring now or will shortly. A combination of strong winds, low relative humidity, and warm temperatures can contribute to extreme fire behavior.